will discuss this pattern. Okay, yeah, if you see this pattern, see here, totally 5 number of rows are there. In the row number 1 only one is there. In the row number 2 numbers are there, that is 2 and 6. In the row number 3 we are having 3 numbers, 3, 7 and 10. Okay, in the fourth row 4 numbers are there. In the fifth row 5 numbers are there. Okay, if you observe here, see in the row number 2, after 2, 6 it has printed, right? So how the 6 will come? Okay, we will add the row number. Okay, 2, I'm trying to estimate. Okay, 2 plus okay, here how many number of rows are there? 5. Okay, 2 plus 5 you will get 7, and we have 7, and here 6 is there, right? So 7 minus 1, if we do, 6 will come. How the 1 will come? Okay, we can take j number, right? See, if you see, for the each row we are taking outer loop I, right? And for the each row there are 2 elements. For the each row, if you take the number of elements here, 1 2 3 4 5 numbers are there. Okay, so here if you observe 6 number, how it is coming is the number of rows plus this row number of rows plus row number, means 5 plus 2 7, right? Minus 1 we want, right? So I can minus 1 means j, I can take j, right? Then it will come 6, right? So like that we have to suppose here if you take 3 plus 5, 8 minus 3, 5, and 5 minus 2 it should come, 5 plus 2, 7, right? Okay, so first we will try to print 6. How the 6 number is printing is number of rows plus row number minus j. We'll see it will work out or not. Okay, I'm writing main method. After that I am creating scanner class object. Scanner s is equal to new scanner of system dot in. Okay, and I'm clicking on Control Shift O so that import statement will come automatically. After that I'm writing console statement saying how many rows you want in this pattern. Okay, how many rows you want in this pattern. Okay, after that, so what are the number we are entering from the keyboard using scanner class? I am storing that number in n variable. Okay, and after that, so doing, here is your output button. Here is your pattern. This is the output. Okay, so I'm taking for loop for the 5 number of rows. Okay, for int I equal to 1, I less than or equal to n I plus plus. After that I'm taking another inner for loop saying int j is equal to 1. Okay, j less than or equal to I, j plus plus. It is for printing the each element in the each row. Okay, so if you see this, okay, first of all I am printing for the row number 1 it should print 1, for the row number 2 it should print 2 starting number. If you observe, for the each row it has to print the row number first, right? That's why I am writing here. So okay, here I am taking like I am storing this variable I in one, I am assigning this I variable to another variable, okay. Then I am printing this variable, okay. It's a row number, I am printing row number. Okay, we'll take this number, we'll declare this number above this. Okay, so this is how it will print the row number first, okay. Okay, after that I have to replace this row number. So if you observe, first number is row number, but next number it should replace, right, every time, right? That's why I am replacing this variable with so like this row number plus total number of rows, means n plus total number of rows n, right? And I'm taking minus j, okay. This is to get 6 number, okay, in the second row. Okay, after that I am writing here system outer println statement. After that after closing the outer loop we are closing the scanner class also to avoid any resource leaks, okay. Now I am printing. So here how many rows we have? Only 5 rows, right? That's why I'm taking number of rows as a 5, okay. I'm giving 5 as input. So if you see this 1 2 6 3 7 10 4 8 11 13, okay. I have given okay, see, if you observe this, we have taken I less than n, that's why it is printing only 4 rows. I have to take here less than or equal to n, okay, so that it will print 5 rows, okay. This is how we got the pattern. If you observe this pattern 1 2 6 3 okay, we got the number same, but we want some space between them, right? So that's why I'm adding some space here. 5 I am entering, so both are same, right? This is how we have to write the program to print this pattern, okay. Now we'll focus on execution part, okay. See, so for the row 1 1 2 6 3 7 10 like that, right? Okay, so I'm taking for the row 1, okay. For the row 1, what is I value? I equal to 1, okay. So I equal to 1, whenever I equal to 1 it will come inside, and num equal to 1, okay. After that it will come to inside j loop. Here j is equal to 1, okay. So 1 less than or equal to 1, this condition is true. That's why it will come inside print statement. It will come inside the loop and it will print num, okay. It will print, see here we are printing num, means num value is 1 here, okay. And after that we are having this statement, right? Num is equal to num plus n minus j, means what is the num value? Num value equal to what it will become? What is the num first of all 1 plus n. N means 5 rows, right? We have entered from keyboard 5 because it is having 5 rows overall. Num plus n minus j is equal to 1, right? How much? 1 plus 5, 6 minus 1, 5, right? 1 second. 1 plus 5 minus 1, 6 minus 1, right? So 6 minus 1, how much? But 1 second. So what is the value here? Okay, 1. Okay, 1 plus 5 minus 1, how much? 5, right? Okay, for the row number 1, if you take here, okay, so 1 plus 5, 6 minus 1, 5, right? Okay, which is equal to 1 minus j. Okay, after that, for the row 1, after that I is equal to 1, and what is the num value? It is now 5, right? Num value is 5, and after num value is will become 5. After that, what it will do? J equal to 2, right? Now j value is 2, j plus plus, that's why. After that, what it will become? 2 less than or equal to 1. This condition is false, right? False. So it will come out from the loop. It will come out from loop to system.out.println statement to next row. Next row. Okay, after that, so for the next row number is 2. For the row number 2, okay, I equal to 2, right? I equal to 2, and now value equal to 2. Okay, so whenever num value is 2, whenever num value is 2 here, what it will become? J equal to 1, j is equal to 1 I am taking. After j is equal to 1, j less than or equal to I, right? Means 1 less than or equal to 2. This condition is true, right? So it will print, what is the num value? 2. It will print 2. Okay, and after printing 2, we are having num, we have to replace num, right? So num is equal to num plus, and means 2 plus how many rows? 5 rows. Okay, 2 plus 5 minus 1, how much? 6, right? 6 here, it will become num value. Okay, so after that, what is I value? I value is same. What is the num value? Num is equal to 6, right? Okay, j is equal to 2. After that, j is equal to 2, and 2 less than or equal to 2. This condition is true. Okay, true. So so it will print how much? 6. Okay, so after printing 6, we have to replace num value, right? So what is the num value? Num equal to is equal to how much? Num plus 6 plus 5 rows minus 2, right? So 6 plus 11 minus 2, 9, right? Okay, so after 9 it will become 9. So after that num equal to 9 it will become, and j is equal to 3 it will become, right? So 3 less than or equal to 2, this condition is false. So it will come out from loop to next row. Okay, and like that only, like this it will repeat. Okay, so so for the row number 1 it will print number 1. Okay, after that it will come out from the loop and it will come to the next row. In the next row it will print 2 and it will print 2 and it will print 6, right? After that it will come out from the loop. Okay, so like that it will be for row number 3 also. Okay, for row 3, how much? I equal to 3, right? Equal to 3. So now value also 3, right? And j is equal to 1. Okay, 1 less than or equal to 2. So it will print num value, right? So it will print 3. Okay, after that num value will become num plus, means 3 plus 5 minus 1, 7, right? Okay, so row number 3 I value also 3. Now num value is 7, right? 7 and j equal to 2. Okay, so 2 less than or equal to 2, this condition is true. That's why it will print a num value as 7, and after that num value will become how much? Num plus means 7 plus 5 minus 2, right? How much? 10. Okay, and now num value is 10, and j is equal to 3 it will become. So 3 less than or equal to 3, this condition is true, so it will print num value as 10. Okay, and after that num value will be replaced by num is equal to num plus 10 plus okay, 10 plus 5 minus 3, right? 15 minus 3, how much? 12. Okay, after that num value will become now 12, and after that j is equal to 4. It will become 4 less than or equal to 3. This condition is false, right? It will come to next row. Okay, so if you take third row, see, for I equal to 3, it will print 3, 7 and 10, right? 3, 7 and 10. Okay, like that it will be same for row number 4 and 5. Okay, just trying to comment. Okay, so this is how I have to write the program to print this pattern. Hope you understand. If you have any doubts, please comment below. Thank you.